Welcome back to another video, guys. So there's an interesting market situation on Boom 500 index, so I would want us to have a look on this index together in today's video. Price action basically we'll be analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. Right, so coming to the weekly time frame on Boom 500 index, this morning I opened my chart and I analyzed this index. I did a top-down analysis on this index. I analyzed from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. So let me repeat my analysis to show you guys the trade opportunity I'm seeing on this index. Alright, so we got market being a previous downtrend, which I identified. We can see the previous market direction here. This is the previous market structure, which I spotted. Whenever a trend is broken, we get price move to the opposite trend direction. So we got price break out of this downtrend, now shifted from a downtrend to an uptrend. So identify this market direction, spotted the levels and zones. So we got this current market trend here as well. We can tell that market have shifted from a downtrend to an uptrend because we've seen price create higher highs and higher lows at this point. So I identified the levels we got. We had this level as a level of support, would say, because price bought from as a support, bought from here as well as a support, and we had this previous level which was a level of resistance, a key level, would say, because price bought from as a support here. There was a break below this level, support level broken, turned resistance, they retested, then they sell to the downside. Price came back to the same level and sold to the downside before we got a break of this key level, this level of support, this level of resistance. Right, you can see that there was a break here, a break and retest at this point. There was a break here, a retest here, then we're getting price move to the upside. So what was this trying to tell us? On how we've gotten price be in an uptrend and we got a key zone broken and retested, we should look out for buy opportunities. So I identified that market level, that market structure, and had our next zone here. This is our next key level. So our point of target, if you are to look out for any buy opportunity, is at this point. So I went to the daily time frame after identifying the market structure on the weekly time frame, and our point of focus is at this point. We are focused on this current market structure. We have to look out for trade opportunities in this zone after we might have identified the levels and zones and the market structure. So we got price move in an uptrend on the daily time frame at this point. You can see that price was creating higher highs and higher lows at this zone. We got high highs and higher lows formation at this level, right? So I had to spot the levels and zones. We got the key zones and levels. So we have this level as a level of support here, support at this point. We got price reaction at this zone. When we go to the lower time frame, you can see that clearly. You can see the market reactions on this zone clearly. So you can see our price has sold and bought on this level, right? The buy is here as a support, resistance, support here, support at this point. Now currently price is trading above this level. So my view on this index is, if price can come back to this same key level, if price can sell from that current price level to the downside to come test this identified zone, then you have to look out for buy opportunities on this index. Right, I'm expecting price to give the sales to the downside in the coming hours and days on this index. I'll be looking out for buy opportunities at this point on this index. If you can get price come here, we test this zone, then we'll be buying this index. So that's my view and market analysis on 0.5 index price action basically. So I'll be going to lower time frame, like the 15-minute time frame, to watch closer market price action to buy this index. So we'll patiently wait for price to sell to that zone. It wouldn't be advisable to force trades, like try to take the sells to the downside. All we have to do is to wait patiently for price to sell to this level. Let's make sure we don't break our trading rules just to see we take a trade. We don't force trades and all of that. Let's stay patient and wait for the right setups. Right, so that's it, guys. That's my view and market analysis on Boom 500 index price action basically, and I'll give you guys an update on how this trade played out if I'm to take this trade in the next video. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more market analysis and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, appreciate your support. Please engage in my videos. Just give me slows, guys. Let's do more and have another day.